Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, you will learn an important thing that every Windows user should know, that is how to make a file or folder undeletable in Windows. The accidental deletion of a file or folder is something that has happened to almost every Windows user. Everyone wants to secure their data in their computer system, and if you are also one of those who want to protect important files and folders, then you are at the right place. In this tutorial, I will guide you with the methods that will help you in creating an undeletable folder in your Windows using command prompt, where you can protect documents in a folder which will not get deleted or renamed. Method 1. Create an inaccessible and undeletable folder. To do this method, we need to open command prompt. Type CMD in the search bar on the Windows taskbar. From the search results that appear, right-click on the command prompt and select the Run as Administrator option. Enter the drive name like D, E or F where you wish to create the undeletable folder and press the Enter key. In this tutorial, I want to create an undeletable folder in the D drive, so I need to type D: and press Enter. We cannot create an undeletable folder in the C drive as we install Windows OS in that drive where it contains all the important system files. So we cannot use C drive for this purpose. Let's continue. Now type empty space lpt1 / and press enter. lpt1 is a reserved name in Windows and empty here means make directory. Now go to the drive where you created the undeletable folder. Try to delete the folder. You will not be able to delete it. Now you can add all files and folders in the undeletable folder in case you do not want anyone to delete or rename it. You can add files by dragging them into the folder using File Explorer. If you create the cone folder, Windows will not let you even browse the files inside the cone folder. But you can add files into it by dragging them into the cone folder. To move a file outside of the cone folder, you need to run the move command in command prompt. This move command will move the file outside of the cone folder into D drive. Method 2. Modify the security permissions for the undeletable folder. If you want to prevent someone from deleting files or folders in the undeletable folder, then you need to perform this method. Right-click on a file or folder and select the Properties option. A pop-up box will appear. Click on the Security tab. In this tab, click on the Edit button. Another pop-up box will appear. Click on the Add button. A new pop-up box will appear and in the Enter the object name to select text area. Type Everyone. Click on OK. This will redirect you to the Security tab. Make sure that the Everyone option is selected in the Group All Usernames list. In the Permissions for Everyone section, check on the Deny option for full control. Click on OK. Windows Security pop-up box will appear asking you to confirm the action. Click on Yes. Click on OK to close the Properties box. Now your files or folders in the undeletable folder are inaccessible and undeletable. If you want to undo the permission change, you can repeat the steps in this method and remember to allow full control for everyone. How to delete undeletable folder? Now you might be wondering how to delete that cone or any undeletable folder. Deleting undeletable folders is also done using command prompt, but make sure that there is no item in the undeletable folder. Type CMD in the search bar on the Windows taskbar. From the search results that appear, right-click on command prompt and select the Run as Administrator option. Enter the drive name where you created the undeletable folder and press the Enter key. In this tutorial, I created it in the D drive, so I need to type D: and press Enter. Now type rd space cone / and press enter to remove the undeletable folder. rd here means remove directory. This will delete the undeletable folder from your computer. That's all. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. If you liked my tutorial, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to get notified about my new uploads.